What's up, Zach Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Poetic Guardian case for the LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Alright guys, first and foremost, a big shout out to Poetic for sending this out again for review. If we go ahead and take a look at the back, it says we have the Poetic Guardian case. Pretty much looked at every other case that Poetic does offer. If you guys do want to purchase this case, the link will be in the description down below. That link will be an affiliate link and it will help out the channel. So as you guys see right here, Poetic with love from San Francisco. We have this nice little design on the packaging that we have seen before. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Open this up and pull it out. Alright, so first and foremost, we have this thank you card right here. You can obviously leave them a review or whatever. With love from San Francisco. Next, we actually have the instructions for this Guardian case, so that's pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and follow those to input the LG Stylo 4 into its new case. And we have the case right here. Now, this is an all black case. I believe this does come in different colors. If you check them out on Amazon, it is going to come in different colors. But let's go ahead and take this plastic off right here. Alright guys, so it looks a little bit different than the Revolution case. Definitely looks like a harder case. Not as bulky as the Revolution case. As you guys know, the Revolution case kind of looked like an OtterBox case. This is more of like a skeleton shell. Obviously, we still have this plastic screen protector for the screen. And this is basically the same concept of the Revolution case. We have a little screen protector right here for the Stylo 4, and we're gonna go ahead and put in this part of the phone first. So we're gonna put this in right here, click it together, really easy. Don't really need the instructions. We're obviously gonna go here first because this has the ridges, so let's go ahead and go in first and pop this in. But yeah, we have all the correct cutouts. Obviously for the proximity light sensor, we have it for the camera, we have it for the headset. Bottom, we do have these little port covers, little dust covers I call them, and they keep the dust and different water and stuff out like that, so that's pretty cool. We also have one for the Type-C charging port right here. Little con about these are super hard to open. Don't like that whatsoever, so they just need to take those off next time around. But we do have a place where we can go ahead and take our stylus outside of, and we have a cutout for the speaker as well. All around though, really nice looking case. We have some protection all around the sides. Looks like we have some impact protection if we drop this phone in the rear, and it looks like we have some front protection as well if we drop this on the front of the screen. Obviously it's not going to touch the screen because we have a huge ridge around it. But yeah, next thing I wanted to talk about was the clickiness of the buttons. For some reason on the power button, it's super mushy. As you guys hear, you know, obviously the button's clicking, but this always gets stuck, and it keeps getting stuck, honestly. I actually removed this case multiple times and worked on it for 10 minutes, and it keeps getting stuck. I see a huge design flaw in this, just because we have this little thing, as you guys see right there, that pops out, and it has to go through this little hole to actually go and press the power button. I don't think that was a good design on their part. Obviously it does work, and we always have the double tap feature to turn on the screen, but I really don't like the alignment with the power button. The volume up and down buttons are fine, they work 100%, but if I wanted to go ahead and do this, see, it already got stuck. Can't even press it. So really don't like the alignment with this button because it keeps getting stuck. See, now it's working, now it doesn't work or whatever. But yeah, really bad design flaw as far as this case goes. Protection's great on this phone. I can tell this is going to be one of the most protective cases out there, but as far as the basics, like pressing a power key, it doesn't work too well because it just gets stuck. My advice to any case companies out there, and Poetic, if you guys are listening to this video, is I had a Z Max Pro case a while back from Poetic, and I absolutely loved it. One of my favorite cases of all time. It was basically just like a skeleton shell, and it had this little thing on the back, but it works so perfectly. If you guys are gonna have a case that is super protective, just have a Revolution case, have a skeleton case, and then have a TPU case like this. I really don't think this is super necessary for the LG Stylo 4. Obviously, there is going to be a market for some people out there that needs super protection, and that's where the Revolution case comes in. But honestly, a case that is in between the Revolution case and in between the Carbon Shield shouldn't be the Guardian case. I know that's what you guys were trying to go for, but it should be more minimalistic. There shouldn't be this screen protector on here. I really don't think people like that aspect either. Obviously attracts fingerprints like crazy. It's a fingerprint magnet, and I like how you can see through the back and see the phone, but that even gets fingerprints as well, and it just ends up looking nasty. Like, I've had this for a few minutes and it just looks disgusting. But yeah, this case for me is a no-go, honestly. For whoever had this case or received the case, please put your opinions in the comments down below. But for me, it's a no-go on this case. If you guys want super protection, go for the Revolution case. If you guys want something more minimalistic, go with the Carbon Shield case. Guardian case for me is a no-go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been some fun from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.